I'm Brooks Bizon. I'm the CFO for Haltec Corporation. Before Avalara, we were spending around 2 to 3 weeks on tax returns and certifications. Now we can just click a button, it sends them a reminder, and they can upload it right away.
My name is Adam Smith. I'm the Director of Strategic Marketing at Haltec Corporation. Haltec is a leading manufacturer in the US, but globally supplies tire valves across multiple industries, as well as inflation and torque solutions.
Here at Haltec, we use AvaTax, Avalara exemption, certificate management, and managed returns. Avalara provides Haltec with a wide range of tax services. It makes all-in-one for our own tax department managed through Avalara. We chose Avalara for the seamless integration into our ERP system to save time with integration and the accuracy Avalara provides. Avalara has saved us hundreds of hours a year on tax compliance.
Haltec invests in technologies and processes to improve our day-to-day functionality to ensure that we're constantly leading the game in terms of our customer service and engagement with our partners. And that's always something that we take a lot of pride in.
Specific outcomes that Avalara has enabled for Haltec are that we can get our customer the correct tax rates on their invoices right away. There's no waiting around anymore, having to do tax research. We know and trust Avalara and know that it's going to be correct.